Immune support.
Ever wonder why vitamin C and zinc are one of the most popular supplement duos? Let's find out why. First up, vitamin C. Think of vitamin C as your body's repair and cleanup crew. It helps keep your immune cells in good shape. It also helps your body make collagen, the protein that keeps your skin, gums, and blood vessels strong. And it helps protect your cells from everyday wear and tear. Humans are one of the few animals that can't make their own vitamin C. That means we have to get it from foods like oranges, strawberries, guavas, and bell peppers, or from supplements. Now, let's talk about zinc. Think of zinc as the construction foreman. It helps build new cells. It supports your immune system. It helps wounds heal, and it helps keep your skin healthy. Ever notice that food tastes bland when you're sick? That's because zinc helps support your normal sense of taste and smell. Pretty amazing for such a tiny mineral. So, why do vitamin C and zinc work so well together? Imagine your immune system is a castle. Zinc trains and equips your white blood cells, while vitamin C helps protect those cells from getting worn out during battle. Together, they also support collagen production and healthy skin. That's why vitamin C and zinc make such a great team. Just remember, supplements work best alongside a balanced diet, quality sleep, and regular exercise. Take care of your body, and it'll take care of you.
Bone health.
What if calcium had nowhere to go? It could end up in the wrong places instead of where your body needs it most. That's exactly why vitamin D3 and vitamin K2 work so well together. Let's see why. Think of vitamin D3 as the gatekeeper. Its main job is simple. It helps your body absorb calcium from the food you eat. Without enough D3, much of that calcium just passes through your body instead of being used. That means D3 helps keep your bones and teeth strong, supports healthy muscles, and even helps your immune system do its job. Now, meet vitamin K2. If D3 brings calcium into your body, K2 acts like a traffic officer. Its job is to guide calcium into your bones and teeth, where it's actually needed, instead of letting it build up in places like your arteries. In short, K2 makes sure calcium ends up in the right destination. Here's why these two make such a powerful team. Together, they support stronger bones, healthy muscles, healthy aging, and even help keep your arteries healthy. One brings the calcium in, the other makes sure it goes to the right place. That's real teamwork.
Better sleep.
Ever wish your brain had an off button at bedtime? Well, meet two nutrients that make an amazing nighttime team: magnesium glycinate and glycine. Think of magnesium glycinate as your body's yoga instructor for your muscles. It helps your muscles relax after a long day, supports your nervous system, and helps your body get ready for sleep. It also helps turn the food you eat into energy. Here's a fun fact. Magnesium is involved in hundreds of important jobs inside your body every single day. You could say it's one of your body's busiest minerals. Now let's meet glycine, a tiny amino acid with a big role. Think of it as your brain's quiet mode button. It helps support a calm nervous system and may improve your sleep quality. But that's not all. While you're sleeping, your body also uses glycine to help make collagen, the protein that supports your skin, joints, and other connective tissues. Now here's where they really shine, together. Imagine your body is like a noisy sleepover. Magnesium glycinate is the friend who says, "All right, everyone, it's time to settle down." Then glycine steps in, turns off the lights, lowers the volume, and hands everyone a cozy blanket. Of course, supplements work best when you pair them with healthy sleep habits. Try sticking to a regular bedtime, avoiding caffeine late in the day, and putting your screens away before bed.
Muscle growth.
Ever wonder why race cars always have a driver and a pit crew? Because having only one won't win the race. That's exactly how creatine and whey protein work. Think of creatine as the race car's nitro boost. Every time you lift a heavy weight, it's like flooring the gas pedal. Creatine helps refill your muscles' quick energy, giving you a better chance to push out one more rep before running out of fuel. But after the race, the car isn't exactly spotless. That's where whey protein comes in, as the pit crew. Every workout leaves tiny wear and tear in your muscles. Whey delivers amino acids, the parts your body uses to repair and rebuild those muscles, getting them ready for the next race. Now imagine showing up with the fastest race car, but no pit crew. You might have an amazing race today, but tomorrow, your car is still dented and missing a tire. Flip it around. Imagine the world's best pit crew, but no race car. They're standing around with tools, waiting for something to fix. Together, creatine helps you perform at your best, while whey helps your body recover and rebuild afterward. That's why this pair has become a staple for people who lift weights. Remember, Train consistently, eat well, and let your body do the rest. Because every great race needs both a fast driver and an even better pit crew. What supplement team should we explain next? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Better Together stories.